You asked, how to divide 2520 by 15 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 25. 25 divided by 15 equals 1. 1 times 15 equals 15. 25 minus 15 equals 10. Bring down 2, making 102. 102 divided by 15 equals 6. 6 times 15 equals 90. 102 minus 90 equals 12. Bring down 0, making 120. 120 divided by 15 equals 8. 8 times 15 equals 120. 120 minus 120 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 168.